My speech is about girls' education. Good morning to all present here today on this very special day. Respected sir, I am student of class 7th. I am here to impress upon you the importance of educating girls. Girls who belong to the families who think that girls are a burden, that they have to offload to the groom and his family's shoulder. A mindset according to which girls are considered as a mere commodity and a soul that is made to fulfill the duties others assigned to her. That is the fate most of the girls meet. Respected principal, when we talk about girls, we talk about half of the population, half of those people who are talented, powerful, resourceful, and full of energy. However, untapped souls that are equal in every aspect to the other half, whom we call boys. A lot of us may not have heard the name of a famous personality, Washington Irving, but what he says is really very interesting. He says, the best academy is a mother's knee. Do you all agree to it? I do all my lessons, whether at school or in the playground or in my hobby center. Just all of them are enforced, coated with all the morals and virtues that it makes a holistic sense and teaches me by my instinct what is correct way of doing something and what is not, who makes it possible. My mother, who is this mother? Mine or yours or anybody else's? She is but a girl of yesteryears. Respected sir, now imagine that this very girl herself was uneducated. Think that she had never gone to any of the schools, remained at home, learned to cook and clean, and that's it. Would you be where you are today? So yes, I agree completely with Mr. Irving. Mother's Knee is the best academy. So if you want an educated generation to follow, you think how important it is to educate the girls. Why just a mother? A girl child grows to an officer. There is no limit to the opportunities she has in store for her if given a chance to prove herself. Construction of a strong building depends on its robust foundation. Likewise, a strong nation is built when all its citizens are well educated, knowledgeable participants. And if we keep half of the citizens away from their personal development, we have begun already to falter our plan to move further as a nation. Respected sir, whether a girl grows up to be working full-time, part-time, or becomes a homemaker, she will be able to perform to her fullest abilities if she has had a sound education. An educated girl will definitely know the importance of going to school. What are we waiting for? Then educate the girls. Build a strong nation. I end my speech with the words of Helen Rice. A mother's heart is a child's classroom. A mother's heart is a child's classroom. तालीम औरतों की ज़रूरत है मगर तालीम औरत की ज़रूरत है मगर खातून खाना वो सबा की परी न हो। वस्सलाम। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। नरजान पाइंदाबाद।